In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with HubSpot CRM. By the end, you'll have your CRM connected to your workspace, so your sales and project teams can stay perfectly in sync. Start in ClickUp and open your TeamSpace overview. This is your home base for managing work, and it's the right place to add integrations that support your team's daily flow. Look toward the top area and open the More menu. This is where ClickUp keeps additional options that aren't front and center on the main toolbar. Inside, you'll find the entry point to manage the tools that connect with your workspace. Choose Apps. Think of the Apps section as the integration hub for ClickUp. Whenever you want to connect services like your CRM, chat, or documentation tools, this is where they live. It keeps everything tidy and easy to manage in one place. In the Apps view, go to the search bar. Using the search is the fastest way to find exactly what you need without scrolling through a long list of options. Type Hub. As you start typing, you should see HubSpot appear in the results. If it doesn't show up immediately, double-check the spelling or clear any filters. When you see HubSpot, select it to open its integration page. Click Manage. This takes you to the configuration screen for the HubSpot app. From here, you'll begin the secure connection between your ClickUp workspace and your HubSpot account. A new window will pop up. If you don't see it, your browser may have blocked pop-ups, so allow the window to open and try again. This window comes directly from HubSpot to make sure your data is connected safely. You'll be prompted to either create a HubSpot account or sign in. If you already have an account, sign in and choose the correct HubSpot workspace or portal. Then, review the requested permissions and authorize the connection. If your organization manages permissions centrally, you might need an admin to approve this step. That's it. Your HubSpot CRM is now linked within ClickUp. From here, your team can move faster with fewer manual updates, keeping work and customer details aligned in one place. If something doesn't look connected right away, give the page a quick refresh, and you should see the integration active. Thanks for following along. If you found this tutorial useful, like and subscribe for more clear, step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching.